Bruh. I can see my neighbor from up here, like, that's not good looking. Okay. What's up, team, baby? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? All right, you guys better be saying that with me, because then when I don't do it on some videos for my yoga, I see you in the comments, and I think it's so funny that you actually sing along and do it with me. So every time we have an intro like that, you better be doing it, because it's a lot of energy you gotta pull out to say the intro with me. So anyways, I have the last one on right now for Shein haul. We have a really cute summer fit bikini try on haul that I'm so excited, because when I got this package I was like, ooh. New bathing suits for photo shoots and for flicks on Baby Love 2. If you are not following me there, are you really part of the squad? I love to see your guys' comments, your votes, rating, so drop them all below, and as always, the links will be in the description. Yes, girl. This first one happens to be my favorite, which is why I put it on first. It has the really comfortable scrunch in the front, super cheeky in the back, and then it has a really cute design up here, which is why I love it. Now, you guys know I live in Hawaii, so you can never have enough bikinis, point blank. You can never have enough. And as much as I love fashion with fitness, with clothing, with bikinis, I can never get enough bikinis, and this is why I love to show you guys the different styles and the looks. Then when you go to buy it, you know what it may look like. So the next one is another one of my favorites that I'm just going to put right over this, so you guys can see that you can wear this to the beach, to the pool, just wherever you want to go. But it's a nice cute little summer get up. So it has the shorts with this cute little, you know what I could even do? I could even slip this over too, because it has a really cool open top. So I wouldn't wear it with this top, because I don't like to wear when it's like strapless or one strap and have like a strap showing to me. That just doesn't look very cute. So you know what? Pause. I fixed that situation. So I took off the top so you can see really what it looks like. But isn't this just darling? It's like a little cute rumpy. It's too hot to work. Too hot to work. Yeah, but gray, little fringy here, so size fits all, even if you got it in the back. But I love little outfits like this. Ya tu sabes. Oh, okay. It's a new season. Your girl Steezin', a new season. Tell me this isn't just so cute, because I think it's so cute. So if you think it's cute, drop a comment down below. Perfect for this weather. Little cute crop top. And this is actually a skirt, but it still shows nicely. So, skirt. And if you know in school when they used to tell you, like, put your hand down, and if your hand doesn't touch, then it's a good size and you're not a snoot. I know we're older than that, but it's a good size skirt, point blank. So it says new season, and it has like this little design right here. But I love like thin type material, because it's so hot. Like right now, I would have this fan on full speed, but then you wouldn't be able to hear me. So I just have to like embrace it. Because I also have this blanket right here. Okay, hold on. If this isn't the cutest little outfit, I just think it's so cute. These straps here you can pull up, and I wanted to show you guys like this and tie them so we can make a cute little crop top for the skirt. I was like, I need this skirt because it's so different and so cute. It's a little bit shorter in the front and then longer in the back, so it protects the gains here. But how cute is this? Like, this outfit is so cute. I can't wait to wear it. But really, you're actually supposed to be rating all these, so just know that when this is all over, below in the comments, you need to tell me which one is your favorite. Okay. Okay, this right here is my stop. Pause. Okay. When I saw this one, I had to get it because, first of all, look how stinking cute it is. Anyways, so I love snake print. Of course, it's not real. Of course. This is vegan approved. I love the bathing suits that are stringy, like a tongue, so I can the full cakes when I am out there, sun's out, buns out every day in Hawaii. And then it comes with this really cute scrunchie that will go in my hair, but I just did my hair, so I'm not about to mess it up, but I will wear this with it. I love how it's like a tie right here all the way down so you can adjust it, and it's a tube top, so when you're tanning you don't have to worry about getting the straps right here. So quick spin won't hurt nobody.